crossover cable to my server. Now what I'm going to do in the server, let me open the server, and in your services, you can see all the services which have been running on your server, like HTTP, DHCP, TFTP. We have something called TFTP. Make sure that TFTP is on. So you have to make sure that whether your TFTP service is and running or on. Clear? And this is a place where I'm going to save your configuration files. So the part of your server is done, but still it won't work. But I'm telling you why it won't work. So let me go back to your router. And what is the command used to see the configurations? Sure run. What is the command used to save the configuration in your NVRAM? Copy run to start. Copy run to start. Now if you want to save the TFTP, copy run to TFTP server. Clear? So I'm going to use the command. So let me come out. So it is copy running configuration to, let me put question mark and show you which are the modes available. Even you can copy to your flash. Even you can copy to your TFTP, FTP. Now not SCP, secure. Now I'm going to use for TFTP. So TFTP. Now, as soon as you put TFTP, it says to hit enter. Now, what is your remote device name or IP address? You're going to connect to which machine? Server. It won't work. The reason is, do I have the server IP address? So I'm going to configure the server IP address as, where's IP? Let me have some IPs 192.168.1.100. That's it. Is anything else I want to configure? Default gateway. What will be a default gateway? Clear? 1.1 is IP address of your router. That's it. If I use it, I'm going to use the same, which is copy run to TFTP. Now I'm going to assign the IP address 192.168.1.100 is the remote device you are going to connect. Clear? Clear? Now I'm going to give some name. It is sugu.bin. It should be with the extension of bin. Now it says is writing, so it is written. It is written. Let me see whether it is available. Let me go to this service of TFTP. Now I can see that I have an configuration file with the name of, clear, everyone? So I got the backup of the configuration. Now I'm going to crash my router. I'm going to crash my router completely. So what is the command used to crash? I'm going to use erase. What do you want to erase? What configuration? Startup. Startup configuration I'm going to erase. Do you want to confirm? Yes, I want to confirm erase. Now I'm going to use reload. You want to reload? So I had to put yes, but I had to put no. So I didn't save all any configurations. Now can you see my router is empty? Now let me put show start. Why? Because nothing is available. So let me put show yes. Show run. Even I don't have anything. I change the router name. Yes. Now let me get back the configuration which is stored in your TFTP server. Clear? It is not only for this router. If you have any other router, you can do the same. Yes. Clear? Shall I? So what I had to do for the first initial stage? Okay, do show TFTP. Okay, copy TFTP to run. That's right. Now I'm going to use the same command. Copy TFTP to run. Oh, sorry. It is to copy TFTP to run. Now it says give me your host IP, which is 192.168.1.100. Now what is the source file? Bin. Now it is accessing your TFTP server to get the file suku.bin from your TFTP server. Now you tell me it will work or it won't work. Interface is down of my router. Got it? Yes, C is correct. So let me stop by using Control C. I just make Control C. Let me go to interface FA0 by 0. Then I'm going to use no shut. Now let me do the same and see whether it is working. 192.168.1.100 and the file is dot bin. Oh, sorry. It's trying to connect the file. Let us wait. So I'm going to give the real file name. Timed up. So I'm going to fast forward. Clear? Now let us see. Now it will work or it won't work. Mhm. So let me fast forward. Okay, let us wait. Now it says that still the error in opening. Any idea? Gateway. I told the gateway of your server is what? 192.168, 1.1. Now where is 1.1? Is this IP address, isn't it? So first I should configure the interface with the IP address as 192.168.1.1 with 255.255.255.0. No shut is already there, but still clear. So now I'm going to 192.168.1.100. The file is dot bin. Can you see this configured? Can you see what is the server name now? Clear? So this is what how you're going to take backup and erase your router and restore your backup from TFTP server. Clear? Everyone?